this is a quick update for the contact process. You might wonder, what the fuck is this? Well, guess what? This is what I've talked about. This is the reaction, the other reaction, the Oswald reaction is precursor. I'm making ammonia because I need ammonia for my ammonium chloride, making another batch of metavanadate, but this time I have my nickel crucible, so I'm going to make a very pure one, and also I'm going to make more. So I have both some hydrogen peroxide that I'm going to use and oxidize the metavanadate into pentoxide that I can use as a catalyst in the contact process. So this is why I need it. I need to make a few things basically first, but that's not gonna derail me or whatever. As you can see, I am producing some ammonia with the urea hydrolyzation process. If you don't know about this process, I'm gonna have the reaction up on screen. So basically we have urea and 2 parts of sodium hydroxide, and that's reacting, falling apart into 2 parts of ammonia, 1 part of water, and 1 part of, as you can see here, this white little gunk that's floating on top, that's already formed calcium carbonate. That's the third party. Look at the end of the plastic tubing, how the hot burning sulfur just burnt it, probably. Yeah, the discoloration because of that, and probably because of the sulfur just burnt into the plastic, just like, when they make the tires and they treat it with sulfur, so they are this black, they become black eventually. Yeah, very very homemade, basically. Just it prevents it from floating on top, because the oxygen and the bubble stone is very light. It just floats on top of the water, and it has less water column, basically, less height, meaning that it has less time to react and making it worse. What's most important in this thing, that I don't have another stir bar that I'm going to buy, because one, it's good because it has some elevation from the platform that I'm using, actually. Shut the fuck up, you dumbass. So, and the other is that if you agitate the solution, that has a better reactability, and it absorbs the ammonia and whatever you scrub through it. So yeah, that would be a optimization in the future. But as you can see, it is nice and steadily forming with a nice even mixing rate, producing ammonia and calcium carbonate, also water. I'm gonna add, I'm gonna have it to open this up and pour some water in, because back in the days when I first made ammonia with this little shitty one, this is just a random tube and some silicone that I have used. I have made this calcium carbonate, but there is also ammonia, a lot of it still stuck on there, and also some probably unreacted mixture, which is a problem because it all solidifies, meaning that you need to add water. So basically, you need it wet, so the um, stir bar can stir it. That the other one has just completely solidified into a one uniform cake, and it didn't fucking turn it or whatever. So I will need to add water eventually. Maybe I'm gonna add it. Maybe I should have added it. Yeah, whatever. So I'm gonna add some. So after all, I've put some foil on top. It doesn't react on paper with the ammonia. So it's gonna take a few hours to react all this. Uh, I think I'm gonna come back and evaluate it. Well, it's been 4 hours, and the reaction is stopped, and I didn't show it in the video, but it caked up, as I said. I have poured onto some, I don't know, some tap water. I boiled in in the water boiler, I don't know, like half a liter, put it over it, it all dissolved, and it is non-visible anymore. So uh, there is some vapor, but it's really not that. mm, I can't really tell if it is going or not, but it's been going for 4 hours now, like now. So I think I'm gonna cut it. You can't really drive off all of the uh, what is this ammonia anyway. So yeah, it's hot enough already. I think this is just water vapor. At the flask, I have seen visible changes because it looks more. Yeah, there is more in terms of volume. I remember I have poured it. Maybe I'm gonna show it on this side. So there is like this little bottleneck. I remember it was the line was under this bottleneck. So yeah, I have gained like I don't know, like not 100 ml, but like a 50 solid 50 ml of water plus who knows what. So I think I'm gonna stop it right here.